Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I am bringing you the November Petit Vour box, and if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you'll know a couple things. First off, I am an affiliate for Petit Vour, which means that I am sent the box, but I do give you my honest thoughts and opinions on the products in the box. I let you know if I think the box is worth it or if it's not. Also, that does mean that if you choose to purchase a subscription to the Petit Vour box, I do make a small commission off the sale, but I use that money to keep Naturally Beautiful Girl up and running so I can review and test out more products for you guys. Petit Vour is a non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan subscription box with all sorts of beauty products in it. And there are now actually two versions of the Petit Vour box. There is a slightly more expensive version of the subscription box, which does have more full-size products in it. I am not reviewing that one. I'm reviewing just a traditional Petit Vour subscription, though if you are interested in the other subscription box, I will put information about it down in the description box down below so you can learn more about it there. But I am going to be talking about the November box and giving you my first impressions, and then I will go ahead and do a review of the September box. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into this video. I do always do a first impressions of any makeup products that are in the box, and this month we do have something from Josephine Cosmetics. I've seen the brand actually in Credo. Credo carries two of their eyeshadow palettes, but I've not tried out those palettes nor any other products from Josephine, so I'm excited to try this out. So this is a felt tipped like eyeliner. That's what I thought it was. I couldn't tell from the description if it was a pencil or a liner. It does seem to be a full-blown felt tip liner, so I am going to go ahead and put on some liner. I'm not really great at it, so we'll see how this goes, but I will give it my best shot. I will start off by saying that I am not good at applying eyeliner. I have hooded eyelids that are pretty small and I just don't have a lot of space to work with. But this eyeliner pen was not at all easy for me to work with. I've definitely found other ones that are much easier for me to apply. I found the formula to be a little dry. It is super pigmented and super black, but basically if I tried to build the formula up or correct any mistakes, it became really difficult. I have what look like completely crazy looking wings going on my eyes right now because I really can't fix them because the formula just doesn't let it build at all. So I had like a nice wing on this side, but then this wing was super thick, and trying to get them even and built up at all to match each other was nearly impossible. So I'm not that great at applying eyeliner, but this one definitely didn't make the job any easier, is what I will say. I obviously will have to let you guys know how it wears throughout the day, how it performs, if it smudges, if it flakes, if it does any of that. It has a really fine tip, but I found the formula to be a bit dry, and also the brush itself is not very bendy, and for some reason the fact that it was very stiff made it very difficult for me to work with. I don't know. It could just be me, but I know that I'm not good at eyeliner and I've had an easier time with other eyeliners, so I'll just leave it with that. And the value of the eyeliner is $26. Okay, so the next product we got in this month's box is from a brand that I absolutely love, and that is Leilani Skincare. So this is a trial size of their Blessed Beauty Balm. The scent of it is not my favorite scent. I know that a lot of people love the scent of this product. In fact, there's a perfume that Leilani makes based off the scent of this product. So if you love the scent, you should check out on Leilani's website and check out the perfume. But for me, it's just not my favorite scent. I guess everyone's scent preferences are a bit different. But this is a really lovely balm, and I have tried this out a few times, and I do really like it. The only con I have with it is a very stiff formula. I should mention that it is currently quite cold in Boston, hence why I'm wearing a sweater. So all my products are a little cold just because my apartment is cooler because it's cooler outside. But I really do have to warm this product up quite a bit to be able to get it out of the container and really apply to my face. Leilani Skincare is based in Hawaii, so when Leah is formulating products, she's formulating products in a much warmer climate. So if it's stiffer, it's probably a little better, but it's harder for me to actually get it warmed up. But I did find this to be super nourishing. It left my skin feeling really lovely, but it wasn't overly heavy. And I do have oily skin, so I like balms that are moisturizing but aren't heavy on the skin. And this really was great in that regard. So I definitely am enjoying using it, and I will gladly finish off the sample. I'll see if I'll ever purchase the full size. Maybe I will. I do really like Leilani Skincare products, as I mentioned. But this is a really great product, especially as we're moving into cooler weather. It's really great for being an intense moisturizer for your skin, but not being heavy and not sitting on the skin either. The value of the Bless Beauty Balm is $13. So the next product we got is one that I've heard so much about. It really is a cult favorite in the non-toxic beauty space, and this is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel. I have the sensitive version. Of course, this is not the full size. This is a trial size of it. And I have tried this out. I have to say, I really did like this. It did leave my skin feeling so soft after I used this product. And I think I like that I have the sensitive skin version because it does warn you that it can turn your skin a bit red while you're using it, just because it is a chemical exfoliator. But I found that with at least the sensitive version, it really didn't irritate my skin at all. It did feel a little warm for a few minutes, but nothing uncomfortable. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know that I typically prefer masks that are kind of more cooling on the skin. I call it like the cool tingle instead of the warm tingle, but this, even though it was more of a warm tingle, was very, very comfortable, very, very tolerable. So I'm really glad that I'm finally getting to try this product out. I think it is a really good product, and I'm definitely excited to use this some more. As we're transitioning seasons, this is a really good product because I do get some dry patches on my skin, and it's really nice to just be able to kind of give your skin the radiance that a mask like this does. So this is an $11 sample. Okay, and then the final product is from Levito, and this is the Aromatic body lotion. It is a mandarin orange and bergamot scented body lotion. And what's funny about this is I actually don't find it to be that citrusy. I guess it is a little citrus. Yeah, I guess it is. It's a bit citrusy, but it's a bit florally as well. I was expecting it to be way more orange, kind of citrusy forward, but I found it to be a bit floral in its scent. But I did really like this. I used it on my body and it absorbed in really well. It's lightweight, but still moisturizing. It's not too heavy. And we did get another product from Levito. It was the foot cream, which I also have been really enjoying. So I'm glad to try out another product from the brand. I also appreciate having travel sizes like this. I'm going to be doing quite a bit of travel over the next few weeks. So this is definitely a product I could see bringing with me as I travel because it is a very convenient travel size. It's always nice to have a lotion when you're traveling. So I definitely am enjoying this and will enjoy using it some more. And the value of this product is $5. So what that means then is that the overall value of this month's box, the November Petit Vour box, is $55. I think it's a pretty good box. I definitely am excited about the Bless Beauty Balm. I love Leilani, so I always love trying out more of her products. Also, I was really enjoying trying out the Juice Beauty Peel. Like I said, that's such a cult product, and I'm really glad I finally am trying that out. And I can see why it's a cult product. Like, it really is quite nice. The body lotion, I can always use a body lotion. The eyeliner, like I said, I found it a little bit difficult to work with. You can probably tell that from how my wings look. but it's just not my favorite product. But yeah, I guess this month's box I definitely like better than the September box, but it's not my favorite box. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give you my review of the September Petit Vour box. First off, I want to mention the Luxe Botanics Camu Brightening Moisturizer. I really enjoyed this, as I mentioned in my September Petit Vour box. I have traveled with this a few times. It's really convenient because it's such a small little tube, but a little bit of this goes a long way. It's very moisturizing, but once again, it's not too heavy on the skin. These are perfect products as we're transitioning into cooler weather where your skin gets a bit drier. So I definitely have enjoyed using this and will probably finish this off when I'm traveling over the next couple months. We also had the Akar Skin Balance Toning Mist, and this is actually empty now. So for reference, I use this every day from the time I got it in the September Petit Vour box up until I actually just ran out of it this morning. So it basically lasted an entire month. But I did like this. I really like the mist on this. It had a very fine mist. I just didn't love the scent of this product. And for me, a big part of the experience in using a toning mist like this is the scent. So I probably wouldn't actually I know I wouldn't repurchase this, but it was nice while I had it. It's just not a product I would go out of my way to purchase again. We also got the Kaos Shine On Stick, and this is supposed to be a highlight stick, but if you remember from my last video, the color I have is like very much a shiny pink, which is just way too deep for my skin tone. I saw Reagan talk about using this on her eyelids. I haven't had the chance to try that yet. I definitely will be trying that out to see if that works better. But it obviously doesn't work for me as a highlight, and it's a little bit shiny for me as a blush. I have tried that, but it's just a bit too much. The product's a little odd. I think I would definitely like it if it were in a different shade, but just the shade, which is Sparkling Rose, is just kind of an odd shade for a highlight, and that's really my main complaint about this product. It's just the shade makes no sense as a highlight. The final product we got in last month's box is from Provence Apothecary, and this is their Moisturizing Oil Cleanser. This is a makeup remover. This is an oil-based makeup remover. It's fine. It's not my favorite. I don't dislike it. It's just, it's fine. I haven't really reached for it that much. I'm trying to finish off a couple of other oil cleansers at the moment, to be honest, so I've kind of set this to the side. I have a couple of other makeup removers that I've nearly used up, and I'm just trying to finish them off so I can, clear them out of my stash and make room for other products. But once I finish this off, I will go back to using this. You do have to use a damp cloth to remove it. It doesn't emulsify in water, but it's a fine product. I have no complaints about it. The last two Petit Vour boxes have not been my favorite Petit Vour boxes, but they've been pretty good. I definitely like the November box better than the September box, which is good. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts on these boxes, particularly the November box, now that that's the new box. If you guys are curious about trying out the upgraded version of the Petit Vour box, I will put all that information down in the description box as well, so be sure to check that out there. Also, follow me on Instagram. My handle's at naturallybeautifulgirl, so you can see more of me and check out more of my content there, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I post about 2 times a week, and be sure to like this video if you enjoyed hearing about this month's Petit Vour box. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!